Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Discord soundboard not showing up on server. The following methods that I'm about to show you may or may not work for you, but hopefully by the end of this video, we can make that soundboard up and running. First, make sure you have the latest version of Discord on your computer. You may have to uninstall and install again. Second, if that doesn't work, you might not know this is not a common knowledge, but the Discord server has to have a maximum of 50 members to make that soundboard work. If you have more than 50 members, that might be the reason why it's not showing. Let me give you an example. To check the server's member count, right-click on the server, go to Server Settings, and click Members. As you can see here, it says 50 members. Now let me go back. Let me go ahead and connect to any voice chat. Here, as you can see, there's the music icon, so I have the soundboard up and running. But when I go to a server that has more than 15 members, just like this server, and if I join any voice chat, there is no soundboard option. Now, what if you have less than 50 members, but it is still not showing up? One thing you can try is to go to user settings by clicking on this cog icon below. Then on the left side, scroll down and look for voice and video. Now make sure the correct device is selected on your input and output device. Now if it still doesn't work, you also have to make sure the community feature has to be disabled. So go to the server, go to server settings and click on community settings. Now, if you have joined any community, you have to leave it. There will be a red button here that would say leave. Now, once you've left, restart your Discord and see if that fixes a problem. Now, if this method doesn't work for you and still your soundboard is not showing up, what you can do is close everything, right click on the Windows and click Run. Here, type %app data %, and then click OK. And then here, delete the Discord folder. And then once you've deleted that, relaunch your Discord application and check if Soundboard's working now. Now, if it still doesn't work, last but not the least, you can try to use Discord through the web instead of the desktop application. Go ahead and check your Discord server if it now has the soundboard option. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.